Yo, so everybody wanna know where I have a green card right now. I come from the Caribbean, I come from Jamaica. Or I fly down to Jamaica and I have a green card. Them I take them off for the freaking flight and I cancel them green card. See me? My brethren just let me know. Cause when I film dog them did up on the plane and them stop them and cancel them shit them, take them and bring them to a room and send them back to Jamaica. So want your friend them. You see me? It's not just the Muslim people them. So want your friend them. Cool?
Immigration lawyer, openly is encouraging Jamaican green card holders in the United States to put plans to travel outside the United States on hold. This following the signing of an executive order by the Trump administration on Friday which has suspended the immigration of nationals from 7 Muslim-majority countries. The 7 countries are Libya, Iran, Iraq, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. She says green card holders in the Caribbean are concerned about the immigration ban. Ms. Lee is also advising green card holders returning to the U.S. to be vigilant. She's advising them not to sign to any document stating they're giving up their green card. Over the weekend several persons traveling to the U.S. were detained on arrival, even if they held valid U.S. visas or other immigration permits. The Trump administration says it will not lift the ban despite court rulings and mass protests against it.
Man, them turn back a bunch of people, dog, from where come in from yard. Leroy come in on a flight 9 night yesterday. And man, I say, yo, a bunch of people get picked out of the line, dog, and then green card take from them, dog. And man, them direct them back, you see me? Go into one room, you see me?